to today's shopping haul. So I have been really busy getting my fall decor in line and getting it all done, and with my new course. So I created 2 new courses: Instagram for decorators and how to make money on Instagram. So those will be linked in the section below in case you're interested. But today I'm here to show you what I have been shopping for a little bit of Halloween and still I think a little bit of fall, or just goodies. So it's Homegoods and Joanns, because Joanns has some good stuff. So let's do Joanns first, because I'm really excited about Halloween. I know I just got my house done for fall, but we're on to Halloween. And I found this. How amazing is this? Like, who doesn't want a glitter broom? And I already have an idea for it, and I'm super excited about it. Like, it's gonna sit by my door, and it's gonna be super cute. So this was from Joanns, $49.99, 50% off, and I had a 20% off total purchase coupon. I have black glitter everywhere from them. And then also this. How nice is this? So this is definitely gonna be the centerpiece of something. And I have ornaments I purchased last year from Marshall's that I didn't get to use. So we're gonna put them on this pretty little tree, I think. And it lights up. So this was also $69. That's why my bill is so much. I don't even think I looked at the price. I think I just put in cart. Bad, that's bad. That's not good. Don't do that. And then, more velvet pumpkins. Like, how many velvet pumpkins do you really need? So you're gonna kind of see like a color scheme going on here that I'm gonna do for Halloween. Love this color. I have a lot of it from last year, so we're gonna incorporate that, plus the black, my favorite neutral right now, even though we're in my cream living room. And then I bought some fun plates. So I have an idea for those, and these were $9.99. So these are gonna be fun for Halloween. And then for my bar cart, I saw this on a pumpkin the other day at Homegoods, and I really wanted it. I'm like, do I need another pumpkin? And then I saw it at Joann, and I'm like, here for the booze. That's what it says. It looks backwards on your screen, but booze, like booze. I know you know what I mean. So we're putting that on the coffee bar, or bar cart. I meant bar cart, not coffee bar. Oh, once again, save your paper. I just was gonna crinkle it up for time's sake. Saving the paper for my ornaments and for our bird cage. We line it. Now to Homegoods. So these were like smaller shopping trips. That's why I combined them together. But I did find these. I'm always on the hunt for some bargain decor, and I can't always buy all holiday stuff. I need to keep adding different pieces. I'm really excited. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. About these. So I bought 2 of these. Aren't they nice? I'm gonna put a cute LED candle or something in them. I'm really into the LED candles lately. I like that they have timers and they all come on around 5 o'clock throughout the house. So that makes me very excited. And once again, I have 2 of those. So I'll put that right there. Isn't that cute? Let's see, what else did I get at Homegoods the other day? Oh, 2 of these. All right, so Halloween, I'm gonna do a tablescape, hence the plates and a couple other things, but I also saw these and couldn't pass them up. Oh, wrong way. Look at those. I had to have them. They're gold, they're fun, they're funky, they're $12.99. Normally you can't find candelabras for that cheap, so I bought 2 of these. So these are gonna go on the dining table. I have the best plan for Halloween. Well, for me anyways. It's gonna be my biggest Halloween thing that I've shown you guys. And so that's gonna be a part of it. Sorry if that crinkly paper is loud. Let's see, is there anything else in this bag we don't wanna miss? Nope. All right. And then my Homegoods is also a TJ Maxx. I bought a sweater. It is literally 108 degrees here in Arizona. And I know, okay, so this looks a little what I call professional, and that is because I am a realtor here in the state of Arizona. And when it cools down, I want like a nice cute sweater that I could wear while I'm showing homes and other listings. And it was just a good gray sweater. They also had it in burnt orange, but I have a lot of orangey stuff. See, like this, corals and things. So I went with gray. I know, boring. I'm all black and gray in the wintertime with a pop of white. But this was a steal. This is, I guess we're saving the best for last. I'm a huge crystal lover, and I can't believe the price I picked this up for. Look at this. This is $19.99. Look at it, really close. Oh, can't get that close. Really close in the camera. $19.99. I know, crazy, right? It's so pretty. I have a little one, and I'm like, I have an idea to even make this even prettier. I should have bought two, I know, for this price. And look, it's just big. And Homegoods has a lot of crystals, and they're very hit or miss. Sometimes they're not very clear. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. So I guess I got two regular pieces, Halloween, a sweater. I probably didn't have to show you the sweater, but I got the sweater. And it was good. It was a good shopping couple days. So I'm glad to add these pieces to my decor. And I'm excited to show you Halloween, which you're not going to see until middle of September. So Halloween's coming out on my Instagram. And it's going to be 2 solid weeks, 2 packed weeks of Halloween. And I can't wait to share it all with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this shopping tour. This I'm going to turn into a DIY. So you're going to see this in an upcoming video. And I'm really, I think this is almost my favorite piece. Well, I don't know, then this is my favorite piece. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.